Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can do split on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on the plus icon and then you need to select any video. And I'm going to select this video and then I need to click on next. And now this video is uploading onto the TikTok, and once it is done I'm going to show you how you can do split on TikTok. And once it is done, then you need to click on effects, and in effects you need to scroll down in the bottom and you will find the split. Click on that. So you can choose 4 split, 6, 9 according to your choice. So I'm going to show you 4. So you can see that the 4 split effect, and you can also do 6 if you want, 9, 3, 2 according to your choice. You can do any split effect. So this is the process by which you can do split on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.